I'm back again with an update. As I was gonna record and show you guys the bumper, facelift bumper on my EP3 usdm. This is an '02 model, and the front bumper is off a championship white Type R, and I got it repainted. And I also installed aftermarket fog lights. And this bumper we didn't get in the states, United States. We didn't get this bumper, so I got the bumper separate, and then I also got the grill separately. And another thing is that you guys can see there's tape here. Well, this is actually a carbon fiber grill cover, which I got a deal on it, but the carbon fiber is not cracked. The only thing that's cracked is the carbon rosin, which I'm gonna sand down and fill back in once I order the materials. But even some Type R's don't even have this piece carbon fiber. Theirs is plastic, which is kind of unique. And yeah, a lot of people from the UK say that we got the downgraded. We did, but a lot of parts now are a lot of parts from the Type R are being shipped over, so they're being more available to us now. And ours, as I always mention, ours do not really rust. So here's another view. And what I had to do is the crash bar, yeah, like I mentioned, I had to cut the size off it in order to make it fit, because ours is a lot bigger. But other than that, it's decent. And my next update is going to be the side skirts, Type R side skirts, and the Type R wing. I'm mainly focusing right now as a exterior parts, and then I'm gonna focus on the interior, which I'm gonna get the red Recaros and the red floor mats. And the UK they didn't get these seats, and so these are the EP3 SI seats. They're kind of worn out, so I'm gonna be getting the red ones and red carpets and aftermarket steering wheel. So yeah, that's a little update. Let me know what you guys think. Like and subscribe.